It's great that we're doing it here in London. You know, we did Titanic here, obviously, and you know, I'm just excited to be done with the movie, to tell you the truth. It's been 4 years. Sam's wonderful. Have you interviewed him yet?
No, not yet.
Oh, well, you'll see right away when you interview him. He's fantastic. You know, he's not hard on the eyes, but the great thing about it is that he's a man's man. So you know, we got a male audience we have to speak to as well, and you know, he's got the emotional vulnerability that women like. But when he says, "Follow me into battle," the men will go. Well, I think we all have seen the marketing materials that are out there, and the visual effects and the action and all that stuff. So I think people have a good idea of what that is, but I think what they're going to be surprised by is how emotional this film, especially women. This is really a film for women. I don't think the advertising materials necessarily show that. You know, I've had most people say, you know, I cried twice during the movie, not just at the end. And so
I couldn't stop crying.
I know she made me bring this Kleenex just in case, you know.